So today I'm going to talking about this question number 2, add two numbers. This question is very popular and a classic. So you must be know how to solve this question and what is the sync process you need to know. And here you can see somebody commonly ask this question. So if you know how to solve this question, it's high possibility you get this question. You can ask this question, and then now let's go through this this description. You are given two non-empty negatives representing two non-negative integers. The integers are sorted in reverse order, and each near node contains a single digit and the two number and return the sum as negatives. You may assume the two numbers do not maintain any leading zero. So except the number itself. So here it's not leading zero, right? Because the first number is only one node in the negatives. Here also have the same. So that's why this one is not leading zero. Okay, let's quickly go through this question. So it's just calculation, right? You just add the sum of two value. So we have two pointer. Each pointer point to the first node. So 2 plus 5 we got a 7, right? 4 plus 6 we got a 10 here. But because each node only contain one digit, so but here have two, right? So we need to keep the second digit in the current node, and then the first digit need to add to the sum of the two values. So you can see here 3 plus 4 we got a 7, 7 plus 1 we got a 8, right? Simple. Now it's just basic calculation. So now here we need to create one more linked list. It's my style. I want to create an empty node. For example, maybe it's -1. You can assign any number here. It can be any number. And then we also have two pointer. We have 3 pointer. The first 2 pointer point to the list 1, list 2, and the third pointer point to the result as linked list, right? So we just add 2 plus 5, we got a 7. So we create a node with the 7. And then here we need to move this pointer to current node. And both two nodes in the first node also, both linked list, these 2 points also need to move to next node until reaching the end of linked list. Now I point to here. We know 4 here is still have the node available, right? 4 and 6. Now here we just repeat the step, right? 10. We got the 10. We create the node with the 10. And pointer here, because each node only one digit, so we need to maintain this one. So we have a variable. I call this one carry. So carry the 1. So we can the sum divide by 10, we can get the first digit. And we need to the sum not divide by, it's the mod by 10, we will get the second digit. So the second digit should be assigned to the node. And then just repeat the pointer. Now here point to here. And then these 2 pointer also point to the next node. Now here with 3 plus 4, we got 7. And when we got 7, we still need to check the previous, we have the carry, right? We need to check the carry equal to 1 or not. If not equal to 0, right? So which means the 7 need to plus 1. So here we got an A. It's simple, right? Just simple understand. Now I will give the second example, more understand. Because here the two linked lists have the same number of nodes. So if one test case maybe the second link is only one node. Okay. So it's possible, right? The test case should be contain this kind of test case. Right. So if here we also have the dummy node here, so we add the sum and the sum of two node, we got 7. Okay, now we create a 7 node and point to here, because we know the second linked list already reached the end of linked list. So here always plus 0, 0, 0. You can use this way to understand. 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 3, right? It's simple. So we got the result, final result. Now let me code it up. Just I mentioned before, we can create a dummy node, and then here we need to create a head. Why we need to create head? Because the pointer will point to 3. If we directly return the list, then we just only 3 return to Lico. So the Lico just only receive a node with 3. So now what we want to printing out, right? We want to start from here. So naturally, we need to create one more node, which is start from the first node. So here, naturally, I create a head, and we create a dummy node, and dummy node assigned to the head. But we know the head, the dummy start from -1, right? But we want to return the list from the second node. So here, that's why I return down next. If we return head on next, which is the expectation, the Nico want to sit, right? So here we need to check. Now I using the while loop. Check the both the list, right? So if the first list equal to no, we know which is add the second value and the point to next no. Otherwise, here do the same thing, just same logic, right? If L2 equal to no, we know the sum only can be add with the L1, and then we need to move to next no. Otherwise, if these two condition not state satisfy, right? So this should be, which means the both point to the node which is present, right? So here we need to add the two and the sum of two node, and the point to the both pointer point to next node, and then we need to check we need to get the first digit, here second digit, and then create a new node added to the dummy that next, right? Because we need to connect both nodes, and then the dummy needs to point to next node. Now coming back here, if the carry not equal to no, so which means still have one digit in the carry, right? Which means we need to create one more node to next, and then we return the header next. Let's see if okay. And the time you can see bit 100%. So the time complexity is depending on the maximum have the more number of node. For example, if the first one is M, right? M node, and the second list has the N node. So if the M node, the first list have more node comparing to the second list, so we tune the M as the time capacity. So it's submitted already.